stop paying for multiple subscriptions. If you're paying for a cloud service, a productivity suite, and an AI assistant separately, you're literally burning money. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly why Microsoft 365 is the best value for your money. Number 1, OneDrive. SSD and hard drive prices are skyrocketing right now. Just upgrading your laptop to 1 or 2 terabytes of memory is going to cost you a fortune. That's exactly where Microsoft 365's OneDrive comes in. You get 1 terabyte of cloud storage included, and the best part, it's directly integrated into the Windows File Explorer, so it feels like you have another local SSD or hard drive. Plus, it backs up your PC, documents, and photos and works seamlessly across all your devices, so you can access it wherever, whenever. Number 2, Excel dashboards in seconds. We all know staring at raw data is a nightmare, but you don't have to be an Excel wizard to get beautiful dashboards. With Copilot directly built into Excel, just open your messy spreadsheet, click Copilot and say, build a summary dashboard. In seconds, it analyzes the data, builds pivot tables, and generates beautiful charts. What used to take me hours of manual data entry now only takes me seconds. And number 3, PowerPoint Narrative Builder. This is the ultimate workflow cheat code. You can now use Copilot to generate an entire beautifully designed deck from scratch. But here's the crazy part. You can now reference up to 5 different files at once. Pull data from a PDF, an Excel sheet, and 3 Word documents, and Copilot will weave it all together into a professional presentation complete with automatic animations, speaker notes, and high-quality images. And honestly, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Microsoft 365 gives you an entire suite of productivity and creative apps like Designer, Clipchamp, and Word, and so much more. So stop paying for fragmented tools and upgrade to Microsoft 365 today.